there's nothing in there, well, besides the one screen. Go look at that. But at this old-timey restaurant I point to every once in a while, got a little car show going on. I'm not going to drive all the way around in the parking lot. So now I'm at the place where make their own brass hose fittings and stuff. That dumpster's got nothing. This one, just kind of looking around, trying to find something. I'm not seeing anything on the good for me to grab, even looking all the way around there. I look underneath this, and that thing, chunk of steel, right? I'm like, all right, that's a grab at least. Not much, 4 or 5 pounds. And then I moved this board right here, 98 Baden, whatever that means, for this printer. I mean, it's nothing spectacular, but it's stuff. And all I gotta do is put my foot in the little lift hole thing and grab it. The guy at the aluminum door place has that bin. I'm looking at the actual dumpster. See if there's anything in here. Got a can. Entertainment stand, it looks like. Spray can of something. No chunkies in here. Let's take a look. I see some rungs I should be able to climb up. Probably just all this forestry and stuff that's in here. Yep, just forestry and junk out of here, pallet stuff. All right, out to the next stop. There's another train. Probably can't see it through the. So we're at that bathroom place. Got a train right there. See if there's anything new. Here's some wire, a couple cans. Grab those now. Another one. Put these in the car. All right. That, but I'm not gonna finagle with that. The handle. Another can, another pipe that was there last week. Another can. And I'll get what I can, I guess. May as well get some brass in there. Right there. Right there. Now I know better. A little more right here. Another one right there. I got in that corner. Come in. No, that's it. Alright, well, that's not bad, I guess. See what's in here. Another can. Put that's right there. Put this brass in my pocket. Grab my money. Don't need to be dropping money. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, here. I have a metal Christmas tent. Looks like it held cookies. But I'll take the brass off the switches and outlets. many more in here? And then something's down there. Let's see. Wee piece of wire. No, that was it. All right. Well, that's plastic. The other part of my money. Magazines. I mean, I do media and stuff, but I'm not dragging a bunch of magazines around. Trash can. Hanger. Take my treasure. Thank you very much. No. I already got the cord off that a couple weeks ago. It's another can I'm not diving for. Not that thirsty. Good packing foam right there. Well, that's even better yet. This stuff. Another can. Get that last can and that'd be it in this one. Alright, so this one's Stinkeroonies. But I got an air conditioner. This is the one that I say that I usually get the walkers from. If I can get that cord, it makes it a lot easier to pull the whole thing up with my mighty strong self. All I need is that cord. Oh, we need another hero. Got it. And they even get some freebies. All that weight. I mean, the fucking thing probably works, but I'll take it. Now to haul it to the car, which is behind that truck. I see it from afar. Gotta back up and go see what's in it. I'm not looking to have all of my videos demonetized. Yeah, they say they have the trailers there on the weekend. I mean, it looks like a bunch of cans. I didn't really show everything else. Right, so that one dumpster that I showed, that printer, there's also a fax machine, which is still in the back. In a different place, I got these two containers right here. One has a lid, just like that. Use this for cans. I already showed most of that. Oh yeah, there's a fax machine right there. All right, look, we got aluminum right here. There's a bunch more. And I can see underneath this. I didn't bring my, oops. Now I bring my cutters. Not to worry, okay. So I'm down to my last two stops, right? Right here, I'm directly right across from home. It looks like it's satellite dish maybe, or wheelbarrow. Yeah, I'll have to pull the truck up. And then I'll just mount this somewhere. There's actually electric meters right there. See how I can do this. All right, well, in the meantime, we can just take this walk. So yeah, I'll go back home and go get the truck. That was just easier, just kind of put it right in the back. Here, sneak peek. I have no idea what's in there. Are these car speakers and modules and stuff? A couple of them. All right, these were, I don't know what they were. Stainless clamp. Yeah, there's a speaker right there. Don't know exactly which one. Got cans in here, cans over there. Speaker and the grill right there. I mean, there's nothing else really. A lot of it I already dealt with last week. Those are like good wires. And that's just the breathing port, Delco, so it's to afford. Delco Bose. All right, on those ones. Let me go look at this other dumpster and pull the car up then. And so, oh, there's a can right here. Sometimes I'll go to that dumpster, and there's two other little businesses and a car repair place, but that would be like finding a, here's another can. Maybe like finding a couple brake pads or something. An aluminum. It is. Making money just walking around. Let's see what we have in here. Nothing. I see a bunch of plastic. And those are twigs. And a can. I'm not going to dive in for that can. Now I'm going to head back to the car. Put those in there. Go up to that one. Go get the stuff from that. And then go get the truck. And get some aluminum. All right. I try not to have to go in places, but we have these things. Oh, it's a wall mount. Oh, it's real light. That might be aluminum. Because that's really light for what it is. These are, I see writing on it. Lansky. The Peabody Memphis tradition, since I don't know. Kenwood. What's in here? Nothing spectacular. All right, one of the Bose speakers. Ford speaker. Bose speaker. A Ford speaker. Oh, a couple more. That one. That one. And that should be it for that. And come back and get the truck. Or get the truck and come back. Yeah. So I don't know if this is the best angle, but you can definitely see there's stuff in here. What I'm going to do, just take that. go. Now, just kind of go on this trailer right here where it was going, and just kind of sling them over the side, and then start putting them in the truck. Under my feet the whole time.